I'll guide you through the process of canceling a PayPal payment or reclaiming your funds without the frustration of searching for a cancel button that isn't there. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open your browser to paypal.com. Navigate to the Activity tab to check the current status of your transaction. Look for the Cancel link next to any pending or unclaimed payments, which usually appears if the recipient hasn't registered their email yet. Click that link and confirm the cancellation to immediately return the funds to your PayPal balance or original payment method. If the status is already completed, click on the transaction to find the seller's verified contact details and send a direct message requesting a voluntary refund. When a seller is unresponsive to a completed payment, navigate to the Resolution Center and select Report a Problem to trigger PayPal's official buyer protection. Select the transaction and choose the specific reason for your request, such as unauthorized activity or item not received. If you're using the mobile app, tap Activity to locate the payment. You can then tap the transaction to see if a cancel option is available at the bottom of the details. Review your Automatic Payments hub in your settings to ensure the charge wasn't an authorized recurring subscription that appeared as an unfamiliar payment. If necessary, you can escalate any open dispute to a formal claim within 20 days to prevent the case from closing without a resolution. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.